are many things that drive us. The search for freedom, for adventures, for new perspectives, and uncharted routes. These are the things that define us and which continually push Hymer forward, day by day, mile by mile. For 60 years, we have led the way for the industry. We revolutionized the art of traveling with each model, each innovation, with every detail. We continue to evolve things further. We developed smart solutions to integrate the entire world, creating a home that makes traveling even more comfortable and flexible. A home that opens up a world of possibility for you. No matter what your plans are, who you are traveling with, or where the journey will lead you. A home that's there for you, whatever the situation. If you are searching for adventure or seeking out tranquility and relaxation, this is what we're all about. Step by step, detail by detail, with passion and perfection. The future of traveling is intelligent and independent, forward-looking and networked. Wherever the wind takes you, we are by your side. Today and tomorrow. So you don't just go on a journey, but you travel the journey of your life.